How to get iOS 17 on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, go to Software Update. You can view the available software downloads over here. As you can see, your phone is already up to date. Go to the Also Available section below to view the available updates. You can also go to Automatic Updates at the top to turn the feature on or off. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily get iOS 17 on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.